Hey, what's up everyone? This is Pavel at Custom 54 Lighting. Want to take a moment and introduce a new product we'll be carrying on our website, which is a full do-it-yourself retrofit kit for the 2014 4Runners. Now this is our first kit that we'll be offering, and the reason we're offering this is because we noticed a lot of hobbyists and do-it-yourselfers asking questions like, oh, how to take apart permaseal headlights, or they're afraid to take apart permaseal headlights. So this kit will come with brand new headlights already taken apart. So if you notice, all the permaseal's out. All the channels still look perfect. All the permaseal out of there. Now this particular set, due to the configuration of the 4Runner headlights, will come with only MLED projectors with Morimoto drop-in brackets. Now the reason for that is because the 4Runners have a side-mounted projector, which is a pain in the butt. You only have really three choices. You can either stay stock, go with a bi-LED projector, or IS250 projector, which for the ease of install and less wiring, no HID kits required, this is probably the best projector to use for a do-it-yourselfer. The IS250 takes a little bit more labor. It takes aligning and so on. So these kits will be available with like every other option we have on our website. You can order color change and demonize with us for this kit, color changing halos, switchback LED strip for the DRL. And I mean, when you get them, this is how you will get them. You can remove all the pieces, you can paint them if you'd like, or you can keep it this way and just put them together yourself. We're going to supply them with a bowl of butyl so you can seal them back up again, which is not that bad. We took care of the hard part for you, which is taking them apart. Sealing them back up is a breeze. Put them in the oven for about 10 minutes at 250, 260 degrees, and crimp them down and you're good to go. You can do this retrofit in your garage with basic tools and you'll be good to go. Aside from changing the aesthetics, obviously you'll be changing the light output, which the 4Runners, they have the worst projectors we've ever seen on the market, and these are going to be 1,000 times better. And that's about it. So watch out for these to come on our website later this week, and if you guys have any questions, you can email us at support@custom54lighting.com or message us directly on Facebook at Custom54Lighting. Thank you. Have a good night.